If you're experiencing login errors on Etsy, don't worry. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try refreshing your browser or switching to a different network if necessary. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double-check your email address and password. Make sure there are no typos and that you are using the correct login information associated with your Etsy account. Step 3. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the shrug.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 5. Update your browser or app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of your web browser or the Etsy app. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Update to the latest version and attempt to log in again. If you follow these steps and still encounter problems, consider reaching out to Etsy's customer support for further assistance.